welcome back. Today's video is going to be our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of June. I'm so excited to see what we got this month. If you are new to my unboxings from Boxycharm, I do these every single month here on my channel. Boxycharm send these over to me and I get to review them for you guys. So this month I have the box of June, and if you are new and you don't know what the subscription service is, it is a monthly subscription service. It's $25 every single month and you receive a box with 5 full-size products, which is awesome. I normally love Boxycharm. They're one of my favorite subscription services. So let's go ahead and see what we got this month. If you hear a little bit more noise than normal, that is because Rowan is down on his playmat next to me. Dad is outside working, so I have to film this while he's here because I wanted to get this up as soon as possible for you guys. So going ahead and getting into our box, I have here the card. This comes in every single box. I don't think I got one last month though, so I'm glad I got one this month. And this box is called the Oasis box, and the variation that I have is number 42. You guys always ask me that. I will also have the weight and the dimensions of my box down in the description box, so make sure to check there if you have that question. And let's go ahead and see what we got. I see a skincare product. This is from First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty, love a lot of their products. So we have the Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, and it's safe for sensitive skin. It's exfoliant, and here's what it looks like. I don't think I've tried this one. I've tried a lot of products from First Aid Beauty. I really enjoy them as a brand, but I don't think I've tried this one. The price on it does retail for $18, so I think that this would be really great if you have any like tough areas of skin on your body. I don't really have too many patches of those on myself, but my husband actually gets a lot of like bumps here on his arms, so I might have him try this and see if that helps with that. Our next product in here, it looks like this is from Laura Geller, and I enjoy their products. So let's see what we got. We got the Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palettes. Here is what that looks like, and it looks like there's going to be 3 different colors in here. Ooh, this is pretty. So here is the inside of that palette right here. It does have a mirror on there as well. Shades are Tuscan Coral, Coconut Grove, and then Gold Dust, and they're all shades of nude, it says. And the price on this one right here is going to be $24. It says the 3 well-made multitasking cream to powder face palette includes 2 finishes, demi matte and subdued shimmer. Each shade can be used as various parts of the face, including eyes, lips, and cheek. Silky, smooth, transformative texture, goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder. Awesome. So it's like a cream to powder formula. I've been really getting into cream products lately, so I am excited to have this one. I feel like we don't really get cream stuff in Boxycharm very often, so this is kind of different. So go ahead and do a swatch so you guys can see. So it looks like we have more of like a bronzer shade, a contour, or like a contour shade, a blush shade, and then a highlight. So here are those. At least that would be like a bronzer on me. It could be actually uses the blush on other skin tones, but here is the highlights right there, and then the bronzer and the blush. They look pretty nice, and I'll go ahead and kind of share them out so you can kind of see what they look like when they are blended. So there's what they look like there. I'm excited about that one. Like I said, I've been really getting into cream products. That's something different. Okay, moving on to our next product. This is from Lily Lashes. I love Lily Lashes, and this is their Triple X Mascara. And this is in the shade Black. I don't remember hearing much about this, so this is going to be interesting to try. They are mostly like a lash company, so I feel like they probably are going to come out with a good mascara. So this is $24 for the price on this one, and let's go ahead and see what the wand looks like. Okay, here is what the wand on that one looks like. So it's more of like your traditional like spikier wand. I'll definitely have to try this out, let you guys know what I think. I'm always into trying new mascaras. I've really been rocking my natural lashes lately. I've been using falsies here and there, but I've really been just trying to keep with my normal lashes, and I feel like they're doing really well right now. So I'm definitely into trying like new mascaras for sure. Okay, and the next product in here, this is from a brand called Cab. I haven't heard of them. This is a lip liner and lip gloss duo. Here's the packaging there. It looks like my shade I have is in Charming. Let's go ahead and pull those out. Ooh, this is a pretty color. So here is what both of those look like, and I'll go ahead and do a couple swatches. I like this type of crayon. It's like one of those ones that kind of just glides on. There's a swatch of the lip crayon, and then we have the gloss. This is a really large tube of gloss. I'm assuming the swatch of this one will be pretty close to the lip liner, but go ahead and swatch it. Yeah, they look pretty similar. I like the wand on this. It's very, very large. So here is the lip gloss right there. This is like a color I like. It's more of like a rosier pink shade, which I enjoy. Oh wow, the price on this one is actually $40. That is a lot, I feel like, but it is a duo, so you have the pencil and the lip gloss, but $40, that's pretty expensive, so I'll have to let you guys know what I think about the formula. Okay, and then we have one more product in here, and it looks like this is a palette. So this is from Touch and Soul. This is the Fill Up Orange palette. Here is what it looks like. You can hear Rowan there in the background. Love the sparkly packaging. Okay, and here is the inside of the palette. So I know this is gonna drive some people bonkers because it has a lot of like wasted space in there. Okay, and here are the swatches here of all of the shades. So we got them all right here. And the one is a pressed glitter, so I know it depends on how you feel about pressed glitter. The swatches seem pretty nice. They seem pretty buttery. I have a lot of face products I've tried from Touch and Soul, their primers in particular that I really like, but I've never tried their eyeshadow formula, so I'm interested in that, but swatches look pretty nice, and the price on this guy right here is $32. Okay, so to summarize all of the products, we got the cheek duo, cheek and lip duo here. We got the First Aid Beauty bump eraser. We also got the mascara, the lip liner and lip gloss, and then also the eyeshadow palette. Look who decided to join me. He was over being on his mat, so I figure I'll just grab him for the rest of it. So the total value of the box is $138. You guys will have to comment down below what you got inside of your Boxycharm this month, and if you are excited about the products in here, let me know the variation that you did get. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!